Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to share some beautiful wall decor ideas that you can easily make. So I have taken these paper rolls and then these curtain rings. I'm going to stick all of these together in a row. I have total 24 like this. So 6 of these I'm going to attach in a row. And we're going to make 4 rows like this. 2 we are going to attach together and the other 2 we are going to attach on the other side like this. We are going to simply paint this with black acrylic color and let it completely dry. So firstly I thought to make it like this, but now I'm going to reuse the same. I have taken this thin cardboard and then I have taken this M sail. I'm going to make the insect, and with the wire we are going to make its antennas, and we are going to stick the pista shells with glue gun on the butterfly like this. So now let this also completely dry. So this has completely dried. We are going to paint it with purple paint. I have mixed Prussian blue and red and white together to make this shade. So let this dry also. With light purple we are going to give some shading on the inside part of the pista shells, and now with white pearl metallic color we are going to highlight the pista edges, and we are going to paint the insect with black paint. I have made total 6 butterflies. We are going to attach 3 on one and the other 3 on another one. So using glue gun I have joined this and this is ready. Let's move ahead on our second DIY. So for the second one also I have joined 2 paper rolls together, and we're going to take these paper rolls and stick in this manner like this. I have joined this with glue gun and I have taken these golden beads. We are going to attach it on the corners and each paper roll to close it. Now I have taken this thin cardboard again. We are going to make pista flowers like this. We are going to attach pista flowers one by one. Keep joining pista shells to make it, and similarly we are going to make 6 like these. Let these completely dry. Then we are going to paint it with golden spray paint. So I am using this golden spray paint. Let this dry too, and we are going to attach this in this manner. Now we can also join. So we have just stick these all at the intersection points of the paper rolls, and this is also ready. Let's move ahead on our last DIY. So I have taken this small paper. We are going to stick one pearl stone in between, and I have painted the pista shells with pink shade, cream shade and purple shade. We are going to make few flowers. So I have made the flowers 6 each, and then I have taken this old clock. Firstly we are going to cover this with B7000 glue. I have attached the buckram sheet, and then I have traced this cute butterfly. We are going to take glue gun and highlight all the lines of the butterfly. Let this completely dry. Now I'm going to paint it with dark teal shade. Then we are going to highlight the wings with white pearl shade and the lines with golden paint. Let this also completely dry. Using navy blue, we are going to give some shading in the wings. And then using golden paint, we are going to make a web design into the wings. Like this. Now on the other side, we are going to attach all the butterflies in manner to look like a wing. Like this. And we're going to stick these all with glue gun only. And now we have joined the border of the clock with black, and this is also ready. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.